Welcome to J&J's test video of S1 MA477, a 2001 Miata in crystal blue. Had a few boo-boos, 94,000 miles on it. Lots of the panels have been repainted, but it runs pretty good. Little dings and dents here. Plowed hard on that left side. Most everything else is all right. Has leather seats in it, aluminum. I'll show you the motor. Andy crawled around in there, so I didn't have to. Runs all right. No crazy blow-by. Even has a good dipstick. Big sway bars. All right, check the transmission. Goes in forward, goes in reverse. All right. Thank you as always. Have your pets spayed and neutered.